ISTQB Advanced Level Test Analyst Question 85. Assume you are a test analyst working on a project to create a programmable thermostat for home use to control central heating, ventilation, and air conditioning HVAC systems. You want to test the ability of the thermostat to properly interact with the central HVAC unit. At any given moment, the HVAC unit is in either an off state, the initial state, or an on state. The thermostat can send the HVAC unit either a start event or a stop event. If the unit is in an on state and it receives a stop event, it will always deactivate and display an idle message. If the unit is in an off state and it receives a start event, it will activate and display an active message if all conditions are normal. However, if the unit is in an off state and it receives a start event, it might fail to activate under on-off free conditions. No power to the HVAC unit, the compressor, or other component. A failure of the HVAC unit, the compressor, or other component. To prevent damage to the HVAC unit, the compressor, or other component. If it fails to activate, it displays an error code associated with the condition that caused the failure to activate. Analyze these requirements to draw a state transition diagram for this thermostat. Use a separate state transition to show each failure to activate event condition pair. Which of the following statements is true? A. There are two states and three transitions. B. There are two states and five transitions. C. There are five states and three transitions. D. There are five states and two transitions.
Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. You can click on pause to choose your own answer before you see the correct answer on the screen.
Let's analyze question. There are two states, off state and on state, according to the first sentence in the question. There are two events, start event and stop event, according to the second sentence in the question. Let's count transitions. Transition 1 is start event from off state to on state. Condition is activate. Action is active message. Transition 2 is stop event from on state to off state. Condition is deactivate. Action is idle message. Transition 3 is start event from off state to off state. Condition is no power to the HVAC unit. Action is no power message. Transition 4 is start event from off state to off state. Condition is a failure of the HVAC unit. Action is failure message. Transition 5 is start event from off state to off state. Condition is prevent damage to the HVAC unit. Action is prevent damage message. So correct answer is B. there are 2 states and 5 transitions. All the rest of the answers are wrong automatically. My recommendation: define states and count transitions very attentively. This question is some difficult. It is necessary to practice on similar questions to feel more confident in the exam. Explanation. Let's look at the section 3.2.4 State Transition Testing in the ISTQB syllabus, where we can see that state transition testing is used to test the ability of the test object to enter and exit from defined states via valid transitions, as well as to try entering invalid states or covering invalid transitions. Events cause the test object to transition from state to state and to perform actions. This is consistent with our solution and the correct answer B. Last but not least, as you might have already guessed, looking at your titanic efforts, diligence, and perseverance, I expect a gigantic progress from you soon. I look forward to your success, which might happen overnight. Don't stop, never give up.